Yesterday, I got a call from my friend. There was tiredness in his voice and a strange pressure in his heart. He said, "Bro, I complete 10 to 12 tasks every day, but still it feels like there is no progress happening in life." This is the same problem that maybe you also feel. Staying busy, completing tasks, but getting zero results. But listen, he told me about a mistake that not only he makes, 90% of people make it every single day, and they don't even realize it. In my friend's struggle, I found such a secret that doubled his productivity, and it can double yours too. Only 2 tasks give 80% of your day's results. Everything else is time waste. Behind my friend's story, there was a secret that can flip your entire productivity game. Let's start. What actually is the 80-20 rule? In simple words, 80% results come from only 20% efforts. But what do people do? They waste their energy on the 80% useless tasks, and the 20% high-impact tasks, the ones that bring real progress, they ignore. Now you must be thinking, which 20%? How do we find it? Here's the magic. Here is the first mistake people make. Most people think the 80-20 rule applies to time. But in reality, this rule applies to tasks, not time. For example, whether you scroll Instagram for 4 hours or do deep work for 4 hours, the time is the same, but the results are different, right? There is a sky-earth difference in this. Now you must be wondering, how do we identify which task falls into the 20%? Let's clear that too. How to identify your high-impact tasks? Ask yourself one simple question. If I could do only 2 tasks today, which ones would give maximum progress? That's it. These 2 tasks are your 20% high-impact tasks. Examples. For students, 1 chapter deep study plus smart revision. For entrepreneurs, sales call plus client work. For content creators, script plus shooting. Everything else is extra decoration. But the story doesn't end here. People make one more dangerous mistake. The biggest trap: fake productivity. People think that if their to-do list is long, or they completed 10 small tasks, then they have become productive. But the real truth is, 80% of those tasks are low value. Your brain feels busy, but nothing changes in real life. This is why people stay busy every day, but get zero results. But you can fix all this just by following one simple formula. The correct way to apply the 80-20 rule. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Identify your top 2 tasks, the ones that take you closest to your goals. Step 2. Give the first 1 hour of your day only to these 20% tasks. Reason is simple. Morning energy equals highest impact. Step 3. Minimize, delegate, or batch the remaining 80% tasks, because their impact is very low. If you follow these 3 steps, in 30 days you will get so close to your goals that maybe even in 6 months you wouldn't have reached. But there is still one more problem, which destroys this rule completely. The hidden enemy: digital distractions. Friends, the biggest enemy of the 80-20 rule is digital distractions. This entire rule works only when you are focused. You start your high-impact task, then one notification comes, and your 20% high-impact task breaks, and you fall back into the 80% useless zone. This is the reason people understand the 80-20 rule, but cannot apply it. If you seriously want to take your productivity to the next level, then the first thing you must control is distractions. That's why you must watch my next video, how social media apps are stealing your focus. This video will explain how apps steal your focus and attention, and how you can take back control of your attention. Link is in the description. Go now and recover your focus life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.